Okay, everyone, so I'm going to give you an overall look of what the kitchen looks like right now. So, as you can see, it needs to be cleaned up. Things kind of put away. Island definitely needs to be cleaned. The floors definitely need to be swept and mopped, as you can see. And I am going to try to get to the fridge because it is a disaster right now. Okay, let's go. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. And if you are new here, make sure you do hit the subscribe button, notification bell to all, so that way you get all my alerts for when I, upload videos and posts and stuff. Anyway, one thing I wanted to share with you guys is this. So I don't know what it has been lately, but I've been kind of feeling off and everything like that. And I just kind of wanted to share this with you guys because I don't know. I mean, I feel like I've been doing a little bit better with my videos, but here lately, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with me. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to share that, yeah, I don't know. I know there's some content creators out there who will share highs and lows and stuff like that, and I don't really do a whole lot of that and everything like that. But I was just gonna say this, doing YouTube. I mean, I love doing YouTube. I love making these videos, but it can kind of get a little stressful after a while. But anyway, I think what it was is because during the time I think it was like around close to like Mother's Day or something like that. And I realized I didn't have, because I tried to at least post some like videos, like not, I don't want to say completely like a month ahead, but at least be ahead of the game, kind of upload some videos like almost a month ahead, if not a month ahead and all that. And I realized at that time frame, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have any more videos posted. And I was just freaking out and everything, like I got to get some videos done. So maybe that's what it is like I don't know if you call it anxious or anxiety. But anyway, I'm like working on it and everything like that. I mean, it's no big deal. I mean, it's sort of a big deal, but it's not. But anyway, it's just the fact that I want to keep the momentum up on creating content for you guys and just kind of keep that momentum up and everything like that. But at the same time, I don't want to rush my videos, because if I rush them, I make quite a bit, I guess, what you call mistakes or whatnot. And some of my videos lately, I've went back and edited them, because it's like, I'll go back and rewatch them like, oh man, I don't really like that or something. And I'll go back and edit it out and stuff like that. And I'm just like, I feel like I'm kind of, I don't know if you want to call it making mistakes per se, but anyway, I'm trying to be more mindful of it while I'm actually editing the video instead of waiting until it's uploaded onto YouTube and stuff like that. But anyway, so I just wanted to kind of talk with you guys and stuff like that, because I talk to you guys about how much I love creating videos and stuff like that and content, but I don't really go into like the other side of it, if you know what I mean. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys, because I want to be more personal with you guys instead of just posting a bunch of cleaning videos all the time. I do want to get personal and kind of share my thoughts and stuff like that, what I might be going through or whatnot and all that stuff. But anyway, so I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. I am trying to broaden my horizons a little bit on my channel. I mean, it's still cleaning content, but I'm trying to kind of like, anytime there's an update on my health situation, I'll kind of put that out, or whatever the case may be, and all that stuff and everything like that. And I'm trying to go to my mom's house more, and I'm going to hopefully be I haven't done any videos in a long time at my mom's house, but that's because I've had some health issues and I haven't gone over there or this and that. So anyway, I'm getting better and everything like that. So hopefully I could start making some more content for you guys over at my mom's house and all that stuff, because I haven't done that in a while. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of update you guys on what's going on. I am doing better as far as some of the health stuff and everything like that. I just kind of feel like here lately, I feel like I need to get my videos out, and I feel like I'm kind of rushing them, and I don't want to rush them. So I got to take my time on them. It's like the other night, I just like, okay, I need to kind of take a step back and let nature take its course. But anyway, so I do hope you do subscribe, like, comment, and share, and be a part of my community. And I like to get to know you guys. So if you're new here, please make a comment. And I just had a new subscriber to comment and everything like that. And I thank you for that, because, it lets me know that I am growing. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to stop chatting and let you guys watch me clean my kitchen late at night. Okay guys, so here's an overall look of my clean kitchen now. So look over here to the sink and all that. My stove area is clean. And the island is clean. And the floors are swept and mopped. And not only that, my my refrigerator is now straightened up. I just needed to do a little bit of organization to it, and it's now done. Okay.